sometimes what you're asked to do is you're asked to determine a point if you're given a gradient. So let's say, for example, here we're told that the gradient equals, say, 2, and in this one the gradient equals, say, -1. For example, doesn't matter. Okay, so what we're trying to do is, we're trying to see what makes a gradient of 2 happen here, what makes a gradient of -1 happen here. So this is a question mark. It's not 2 sevens, it's a question mark. Here we've also got a question mark as well. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to solve for these two unknowns. So basically what we do for this is we know that our gradient, m equals rise over run. So that is that way horizontal under vertical. So let's have a look at this. We've got draw a graph. We've got one point at 0 and 5, which is there, and then we've got another one at 3 and something. So it's somewhere here. We don't know what it is, but we know that it's giving us a gradient of 2, and it's positive 2. So it's going to be going upwards. So it's going to do something like that. So basically, we know we're going from 0 and 5 to 3 and something. So what we know is to go from 0 and 5 over to 3 and something, we've gone across 3, because 0 to 3 makes 3. Now, we've got, so it's telling us that's our gradient, m equals rise over run. So with that, we can say that 2 equals rise, and we know our run is 3. So based on that, we've got 2 over, so to find our rise is just 3 times 2, which is 6. So we've got 6 there. So what we've got to do, if we've gone from 5, that means we've gone up to 5 plus 6, which is 11. So that's what ends up happening here. So here we are at 3 and 11. So just to check that, we've gone from 0 and 5, we've gone across 3, we've gone up 6, so we've got a run of 3, we've got a rise of 6, 6 over 3 is 2, which is what we've got there. Okay, next one. We have got Star Wars. I'm getting distracted. We have got a gradient of -1. We've got our points 5 and 3, something, and 7. So once again, let's draw this. So we'll draw this thing. We are at 5 and 3, which is going to be about there. 5 and 3, and then we're at something and 7. So we don't know what our x-coordinate is, but we know we're at 7. So it could be anywhere. Could be anywhere at this line, which is at 7. Now it tells us that the gradient is -1, so that means it's going to be going this way. So we are somewhere over there. So once again, we've got we don't know what our rise is. Sorry, we're going from 5 to something. We don't know what our run is, but we know what our rise is. We're going from 3 to 7. So our rise is 4. Now, like I said, we don't know what our run is, and we know that -1 equals our rise and our run. So what we do is we multiply both sides by run to get negative run equals 4. And then what we're going to do, we're going to divide both sides by, it's -1 run. We're going to divide both sides by -1. So run is equal to -4. So that means we've gone 4 units. We've got to go 4 units to the left. So now if we're at 5, so we've got to go across 4 units, we've got to go across 4 units to the left. So what that means, this point, we are at 1. We've gone from 5 to 1, we've gone back 4, and we've come down 4 to make -1. So that's what we end up doing with that one. So that's where we go about solving these ones.